For over 20 years, I've been developing premier collections of hair and body care. As a grandfather of 10, I've witnessed my grandchildren struggle with troublesome allergies and skin conditions. This became my inspiration.
Introducing Little Green, delicate hair and body care specifically formulated for babies and children with sensitive skin. Little Green has been clinically and dermatologist tested. Gentle formulas with no allergens, no parabens, no sulfates. Completely hypoallergenic. Safe, gentle, pure. The Little Green collection includes shampoo and body wash, nourishing body lotion, and a conditioning hair detangler. Little Green, as close to Mother Nature as you can be. For Little Green locations near you, visit littlegreencares.com.